So as I said to you guys, we will be using a lot of Temu parts on this lovely vehicle of mine. Car's a bit dirty, needs a wash. Yeah, got some Temu valve caps over there, you know what I'm saying? Got a pump over here from Temu. I mean, this thing cost me like 200 bucks. Very cheap, guys, very cheap. And my tire, because I don't drive this car very often, my tire has, you know, lost some pressure from standing here. So let's give this Temu pump a nice little test for you guys. So as you see, it comes with all these fittings, and also for your bicycle or your boat or whatever else needs to be pumped. But I'm gonna be using this fitting, obviously, because it's specifically for cars. And you just put it on, hold that button in. It's got a torch as well, shows you how much PSI. So as you can see, it's a bit low, and I think you can set it to what you want it to be. So I'll set it to about 32 PSI. I think it's 34 is about 2.4 bar. I gotta change the, okay, you guys can see. So if you look even closer, there's like a little bicycle over there. So I need to change that function to car. You guys can see over there. And yeah, now we go put it on. Let's put on 36 PSI because we have a slow leak, and that's all that's left to do is it's a bit short, so I can't leave it over there. What is up, guys? Welcome back to yet another video here on Full Speed. As I said in previous videos, I will be attempting to wrap the bonnet of my V8 Lumina SS all by myself, and today in this video that is exactly what I will be doing. So as you guys saw, there's a little bit of tree gel or tree jam that fell on my bonnet. Nothing much I can really do about that at the moment, so I'm just going to leave it as is and wrap over that. And if everything goes according to plan, guys, I will be wrapping the roof as well. But here's a little walk around of what the car looks like right now before we get to wrapping the bonnet. If you want to be wrapping your car all by yourself, hopefully this gives you the confidence, because I am worse than a beginner, guys. I do not know anything about wrapping, and yeah, you can take this as a little bit of a guide for beginners, and let's see how it goes. What is happening, guys? It's early in the morning, and I thought, you know what, I'll do an intro. Welcome back to Full Speed SA. And in today's video, short one, we're gonna keep it short and sweet. As I told you guys, I'm gonna try and wrap this bonnet by myself, and that's what I'm gonna be doing. I might do the roof as well. Well, depending on how good it goes with the bonnet, we will be doing the roof as well. Temu pump doing its thing, keeping the wheels alive. And well, guys, nothing left to say. Please like and subscribe if you haven't done. And let's see what this baby looks like after the bonnet and the roof have been wrapped. Let's get into it, guys. I just wanted to take a moment to say, when wrapping outside, yeah, you're gonna have a bit of wind resistance, or should I say issues with wind and dust as well. So please keep that in mind. As you can see, it was a struggle for me just to keep the wrap on the bonnet and get it positioned for me to get started. So keep that in mind. It will be much better to do this closed in, well, inside or indoors or behind closed doors, so to speak. And yeah, I think you will have much bigger success with getting a much smoother final product, eliminating the chances of getting dust and debris under your wrap if you do it indoors. No turning back now. Now I gotta work my rookie wrapping skills. Hopefully it's not as bad, or not much harder than tinting, because I'm pretty good at that. But let's see what I can do. So guys, since this is my first time, I didn't want to take any chances, and I decided to off camera just to quickly see if I can get it stretched out, get the wrap stretched out all over the bonnet. I managed to do so with not too much effort or too much difficulty, and I'm very happy for that. Question is, can I get this to look somewhat close to perfect? Well, let's have a look. You know what, guys, I actually think I have it down to, I wouldn't say to the T, but I think I got this in the bag somewhat. It's gonna be tough though, and I'm gonna try and save some memory on my GoPro. So I'm just gonna show you guys what it looks like after I'm done battling and wrestling with it. But yeah, please stay tuned to check out the final product, guys. And remember, if we get this right, then we're moving on to the roof. Maybe not in this episode, but I'll definitely cover that in one of the next episodes coming up on the channel. So we're almost done, so to say. We are actually done. It's just for this edges over here that I gotta cut off. Gotta straighten up the corners, neaten them up a bit. But comment below, what do you guys think? Not too bad, eh? For my first ever wrap job, I must say, not too shabby not too shabby, even if I should say so myself. I'm really proud. Well, hopefully it looks good at the end of the day as well. Yeah guys, so we're just about done, and I'm just going over the edges, making sure it's all flat and tacked. And yeah, we're almost there guys, almost there. Got the mirrors mocked up so long, I think I'll do them another day. The sun is about to set, but I must say quite happy. So I'm just gonna give it a bit of heat gun around the edges, just to make sure it's plugged in. Right guys, so we've reached the end of the video, and yeah, what do you think? Hey, just got to get the excess stuff packed up, but and gotta get some bubbles over here, bubbles that we're gonna press out, you know, just some touch-ups. As you can see, I got the mirrors mocked up. For whenever I want to wrap them, just to get an idea of how they're gonna look. Should be easy, but I'll be throwing this away now. Just gonna give it a bit of a wipe down. Coming now. Yeah, wait there, we're coming now. Let me know what you guys think. Looks a bit sporty, eh? Don't you think? With the black bonnet. Some nice little paint protection from this harsh African sun. Just touch the screen.
Oh, okay.
Like I said, just a little bit of touch-ups, but I'm gonna let it bake and get rid of some of the bubbles on its own, you know, because I did use water. I applied it using water, so there will be some water bubbles underneath as well. So I'm gonna let the sun do its work, and then yeah, and then I'll just come do some touch-ups later on to get rid of the bubbles, etc. But I'm really happy so far. Looks like a somewhat good quality wrap, you know. Got it from Take A Lot. It's 3 years old, bought it 3 years ago, so it's not perfect. It's because of being in storage, it's got some scratches and whatnot, but for what it is, I'm happy. Let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna get a nice little cinematic video of what it looks like before and after, and yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.